Hey everybody, and welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Every day we explore the outer vibrations, which then translate into the inner vibrations. Today's Wednesday, Communicator Vibration Day. So we're all vibrating a little bit more with this communicator energy today. Communicator, communicating. Who is communicating? Ask yourself that today. Who is communicating? Who are you communicating with? That is the question. Today's a day to go deeper. And yeah, there's a book that goes really deep that I have read from many times, the Ribhu Gita. And I'm not ribbing you when I say that. So put on your green clothes today. Go ahead, I'll wait. You got them? All right. Or even a hat, green hat. I don't have anything green, or I would. Burn some cedar incense and get ready for a little ribbing. Listen. That's what he says. Listen. All is only Brahman. All is only consciousness. I say in the name of Shiva, this is the truth. This is the truth, O Master of Yoga. There is nothing else whatsoever. The unreal is not even an atom. All this surely is not even an atom. The body too is not even an atom. There is nothing else whatsoever. All is only the self, the pure self. All is only consciousness without a second. The self is eternal, spotless, and pure. There is nothing else whatsoever. If the self is considered as merely atomic in dimension, all is not even an atom. There is nothing else whatsoever. The syllable Om is only consciousness. Consciousness itself is all. Bliss is the supreme measure. All this that is seen is nothing. I myself am also bliss. I am myself changeless. Consciousness. Bliss is the supreme measure. All this that is seen is nothing. I am the mysterious self. I myself am the I don't know what that word is. Well, moving right along. I can't even pronounce it. Bliss is the supreme measure. All this that is seen is nothing. I am myself, the support of all. I am myself, happiness beyond happiness. Bliss is the supreme measure. All this that is seen is nothing. I myself, the great, I am myself, the great light. I am of the self of all. Bliss is the supreme measure. All this that is seen is nothing. I myself am the satisfied self. I myself am the attributeless. Bliss is the supreme measure. All this that is seen, all this that is seen, all this that is seen is nothing.